Well, making a trip today here to Northwest Lumber Company. Company's been here for Indianapolis for many, many years. I was told by a number of people this is the place to come to get good wood for the truck. So here we are. We ordered them last week and we're picking it up. Exciting. All right, and I just got the wood home, and I had to just sort of very loosely lay it in here into the bed just to get a very rough glimpse of what this could eventually look like. So this is white oak that we got cut custom for this. Yeah, it's looking really good. I mean, I say it smells really good, if that makes any sense. This wood smells amazing. So yeah, pretty cool. All right, and just double checking our measurements to make sure we're good. We're at 5 3/4 inches wide, 3/4 inches tall, and I haven't done the length. Should be 7 8 inches. That I'll have to check and may have to adjust. Just as I was laying them in here, it seemed like a couple of them, like that one's. And that one's off just a little bit, so a couple of these may need to be trimmed. Still got a lot to do before I can even think about getting the wood in here for testing and all that, and making measurements for drilling and stuff like that. Just got to do some cleanup. Kind of all this stuff. As you can see, that part there that's all rusted, that goes underneath. I don't think that'll be seen, but I may have to just cut it off because it's so corroded. And I've got this section here that broke off when I was moving things around, and that does have a carriage bolt that goes through it. You can see the one on the other side over there. So I will need to do some weld repair there to get that reformulated. But yeah, very excited, big step, still hoping, I'm thinking I can do this myself. I may run into a complete disaster and make a muck of it, but gosh, I'm sure going to give it the old try. Thanks for watching, and as always, please hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate it.